We did it, guys. We hit 500 subscribers on the channel, and to celebrate this, like any good millennial, I need a medal or a prize, some kind of award. YouTube's not gonna send it to me apparently, I've waited, but I can make it myself. I have tools, I have my shop, and I have the skills to make my own. So that's exactly what I'm going to do to celebrate 500 subscribers right here on the channel. Let's get after it. So I've got some leftover red oak from our coffee table build that I did. So let's get it cut to size real quick. That's what I'm talking about. All right, first cut. Ears on. Let's do this. One, two, that's it. All right, so we are 11 by probably enough 11. All right, but I want this to be 8 inches wide, so I'm gonna cut 1.5 inches off of each of these. Right on. That's actually pretty straight. One more to go. That was also really good. Man, look at that. All right, so got 2 pieces. I need to glue them together now. So, a little bit of wood glue. We'll brush it out. I used to not be a believer in how strong wood glue was until I started using it the right way. Now, stuff's strong. Just like that. Getting her down. All right, need something heavy. Ugh, that's pretty heavy. All right, so while that glue is drying, I'm going to actually jump over to the plasma table and cut out the actual front plaque. Let's just see how it goes here. Oh yeah. Let's see here. Not too bad. It's a little hot. All right, we got that one done. That is cut out of 16 gauge. But for the actual play button up top, I want it to be thicker. So I want that to be 1/4 inch. So, got some 1/4 inch plate here. Let's let her rip. All right, so got our lower plaque and we got thick YouTube play button. So we'll get them cleaned up. Ooh. Still hot. I need to drill some holes in both of these so I can screw it back into the plate. Gonna go with 1/4 inch. Unbelievable. Let's raise the table. Yes. There we go. All right, I decided I'm gonna leave it raw, but I'm gonna kind of shine it up with the Scotch-Brite pad. So let's do that here. So now I don't know. It looks pretty good, I think, with kind of that brush look. Should I clear coat over it? Yeah, I'll probably clear coat over it. I've let this oak dry for a little while. It's not, I don't know, it's been like an hour. Probably not long enough, but kind of impatient. So I'm gonna break these clamps loose, and then I'm gonna cut some bevels actually here on all the corners, and then router along the edge. There we go. All right, pretty good. Good enough. Just gonna freehand this again because I was so good the first time. I like my ears. Yeah, so not too bad. These two aren't as good, but nobody will ever notice on YouTube. All right, so let's see a little progress of what we've got here. So, of course, the back, I'm about to sand it. It's my next step, but I think it looks pretty good. Not bad for a homemade award. Sweet. So I already got some burn marks for my dull router bit, but actually I don't know if it's my dull router bit or that I was just doing it too slow. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Sanding. All right, that looks pretty good, I think. Pretty good edge there. Pretty good. All right, I actually forgot that I need to put something in the back here so I can hang it from. It looks nice in the front, but I want to hang it on a wall. So put a little mark here. I'm gonna use the router and try to eat away some of this material and then come back in with the dovetail in there to give it a little bit of an edge. All right, not so bad. All right, so it's the next day. Had all this drying overnight, and let's see how it looks. Not bad. I'm really debating on if I want to get rid of this plate. You know, I mean, like it's all right, but I think what that really needs to be is laser engraved on there, and I don't have a laser engraver yet, so I don't know. I think I might do that, you know? It's simpler. Sometimes more simpler is more better, right? I don't need some big fancy award for 500 subscribers, just a little award. I gotta admit, that hurt just a little bit. That'll work. How's it look? Pretty good. So I've given it a little bit of time here, and this is looking good. Pretty dry. Good enough. Good enough for me. So there was going to be a spacer behind this to just lift it off of the wood just a little bit. So I decided I was going to 3D print those. So that's up. These are my spacers, right about like that. I like that. Let's drill some little pilot holes here. All right, so I've got my screws here. Going to
Just place the spacers on them and align.
Now I just need a place to hang it. I've got a nice screw here. Look at that. I have a YouTube play button.